exiting the cab, check your surroundings carefully. Open this door here and pull the left and right jack handles toward you to move the jacks out from the truck. Be sure each outrigger is completely extended by checking the lights located here. Once properly positioned, the jack feet may be lowered.
Our familiar green stripe has become an internationally recognized symbol for the standard of excellence in storm drainage and sanitary sewer piping solutions. And with over 500 trucks in our fleet, we can deliver the products our customers want when they need it. Our culture is results-oriented, with a competitive desire to win through hard work, integrity, and mental toughness.